Good morning, you guys. Welcome back. This is Sierra, and now that I'm standing here, I realize this lighting is not the best lighting to shoot in, but I am getting ready to leave the house right now and I'm already late. So what that means is I don't have time to fix my lighting. So sorry. Anyways, today when I was getting ready earlier, I realized that I've never actually done like a vlogging day of like a full regular day in my life. So what I'm gonna do today is I am going to take you guys with me vlogging. I have a meeting this morning. After that I'm gonna do some shopping and then I'm gonna come back home, walk the puppy, and I have a couple errands to do after that, and then housey stuff and probably editing. So I'm taking you guys with me as much as I can, so I hope you guys enjoy. Okay. Hey guys! So we just got done at the meeting and this is my friend Jolene. And Jolene also has a YouTube channel, which I usually link below, but I will definitely link like at the top of the below section, if that makes sense. I know that today I was gonna make a really boring type, like normal life video, but Jolene mentioned in the meeting that she had to go to Tachikawa today, and I realized, well, I remembered that I also needed to go to Tachikawa today, so that is what we are going to do. I need to pick something up at one of the shopping centers, and she has some like technical errands she has to run, so we figured why not do them together, since the theme of the meeting was just do it, so we're just gonna do it today. Yeah? Alright, let's go. It's glow. Oh, what floor did it? Second floor. Yeah. So what did we just do? Aside from read, that's what I was doing.
I had to get my iPad checked out and fixed, which I'm proud of the communication that went through, because I knew just enough
in Japanese. Is awesome.
Yeah.
So I can't remember what's the name of this place called. The
Quick Garage?
Quick Garage, yeah.
Quick Garage.
Yeah, so if you have any Apple products that need to be repaired and you are near West Tokyo, it's probably somewhere in Shinjuku, but in West Tokyo, the one that we know of is called Quick Garage, and I will link the place in the description in case you guys need it to fix anything that's broken. They only do Apple products, and if you have the insurance, they're pretty reasonably priced.
If you live in Japan, you know that you can only use Apple products.
Right, because the links, the apps don't work. But anyways, now we're gonna do some shopping. See, they are so cute. Gosh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, look at all the baby stuff. It's all so cute. Oh my gosh. I can't handle it. Everything in Japan is cute, especially the baby stuff. It's like extra cute. Happy October. Oh, they have these. Like the German-inspired markets. Ooh. Whoa. Big spender. Hello, gorgeous. What's your name? Oh, you wanted to come home with me? Okay. Hey guys! So now we are taking a little break. We are at the supermarket. We did a handful, at least I did a handful of shopping. And what did you find?
Let's make this baby come out.
Let's do it. I think I'm gonna get the melon that's on top of it. It looks really yummy. But yeah, we're in a supermarket right now getting late lunch, I guess, because the meeting was kind of into lunchtime, but this is actually real life in Japan. Buying stuff you need, grocery shopping, lunch with friends. Lunch of Champions. Although I don't think I'm gonna eat all those bananas.
You can eat the purple.
Of the dragon fruit?
Yeah.
Good to know.
I've never actually seen it on the food still.
Yeah. Got my fruit cup, which has a lot of green melon. Green melons are really expensive in Japan. This cup was like $3, but the melons next to it were like 1,500 yen, so I feel like I definitely got my money's worth. And for some reason, it only has one of the best thing ever, which is dragon fruit, which makes me really sad. Hello again, you guys. So as you guys can see, I am no longer on the train. After Jolene and I finished our little lunch, we realized that we needed to get back like ASAP because she had another appointment and I had read that it was going to rain. Hopefully it doesn't rain on me on my way home. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Tomasz, you wanna go for a walk? Let's go for a walk. Come on.
Yeah, it's really good. Oh, it's really good. Oh, it's so good. What are you doing? Either stubby legs around my chest or my gut. There. Now you know what you can do. No pressure points now.
Hey guys. So it is about 8:30 right now, and I know I didn't film as much as I probably wanted to today, but that's okay. I have been home since around 5, and as you guys already heard earlier, I watched TV for a while, and then I had some leftover dinner, and then I've been editing for about, I would say, an hour and a half now, and I'm feeling kind of tired. So I think I'm going to get changed and have a shower and probably start getting ready for bed. I know that it's a little early, but I just wanted to take a few minutes to close out the video. I know that my content has been kind of like changing lately, and you guys will find out why at some point, but just kind of experimenting with things, you know what I mean. But to those of you guys who are watching, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all of your support that you've given me over the past couple of years, and I am looking forward to creating like new different kinds of content and, you know, just changing things up a little bit and seeing what's going to happen. So if you guys like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.